Hello everyone. My name is Paul Stork and I'm the owner and principal architect at Don't Panic Consulting. I'd like to invite you to join me for a half-day workshop at SharePoint Fest in DC entitled Office 365 Feature Explosion, What You Should Be Using. I'm not sure about you, but I've been doing SharePoint for a lot of years and I've been really excited the last few years by the rate of change and the rollouts that Microsoft has made to the feature set that's included with Office 365. Often these new features are actually packaged up as whole new applications. And a lot of those applications have a lot of value for using and collaborating in your environment. The problem is that very speed of change that comes out means that sometimes those features are hard to understand. And more often than not, there are often applications where it seems like two different apps that do the same thing. It's hard to keep track. It's hard to keep up. In this workshop, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at all of the extra apps that are included Office 365. Not the standard ones like SharePoint and OneDrive, but all of the side apps like Yammer and Teams and Groups and Planner and Sway and Forms and a lot of the new things that have been rolling down the pike. For each of those applications, we're going to try to do three things. First, we're going to do a brief demo to take a look at what your user sees when they use that application. How does the system actually work? What does it do? Secondly, we'll examine the business case for some of the apps that seem to conflict with each other. And we'll look specifically at what makes each app really useful in a particular business environment or particular business case. And then finally, we'll take a look at the administrative controls that are available to allow you to either not use particular applications or at least to control their rollout so that some people can pilot them before you roll them out to the entire organization. By the time we're done with the workshop, you should have a good solid handle on what the business case is behind each of these applications and how to control them in your environment so that you can make the best use of all the new features that roll out in Office 365. I hope to see you in DC. Come see me at my workshop. Thanks.